Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add LinkedIn URL on resume. First of all, you need to have a resume in which you will add your LinkedIn URL. If you don't have it, you can create one. For that, open any browser. You got a variety of options to create resume like Canva or MS Word. Once you are done making the resume, open it. Firstly, select the place where you want to add the LinkedIn URL. For example, I am going to add the URL here in the beginning. So write a text representing your LinkedIn URL. Now select this text and make a right click. After that, click on the link option from the drop down. Now open a new tab and head over to your LinkedIn dashboard. Click on the Me option from the top right side, then click on View Profile. Next you will see an option of Public Profile and URL. Under it you have the URL of your LinkedIn profile. Copy it, then go back to the resume and paste the link here in this bar. After pasting the link, click on Insert and the link has been added on your resume. Now let's save the resume in PDF form and check whether it's working or not. Click on Profile option from the left side, then click on Export and select the option Download as PDF. After that, click on Download. Once it's downloaded, open it, then click on it to use it. And this is how you can add LinkedIn URL on resume.